Hello guys, Steve here. I got a beauty in today. It's the Losi Mini Jrx2. We're going to unbox it and then we're going to compare the difference between the Jrx2. I just got this in and I got this from Riley's Deals on Facebook. He gave me a great deal on this. If you search the marketplace, Riley's Deals, you'll find him. He sells all RC stuff. So check that out. Alright, let's open this beauty. Same as the one I showcased before. Batteries, charger. Oh, look at this. I like the black one. It looks really retro and vintage. That's why I got the black version. Looks cool. Cool, like old school. There's the radio. Let's get the little beauty out here. There it is. Let me move this box. It's a lot smaller than the truck version. And we'll see when I compare them. There it is. Looks good. Looks like a beauty. That's why I got this color. I just like the looks of it. It looked like just like one from old school times when RCs looked real. You don't see that much anymore. Anyway, let's see the difference between them real quick, side by side. Let me hold them up. Better yet, maybe I'll just get the camera and come close, but I'll show you real quick. This is a lot bigger. Look at the size of the tires. I'm going to bring the camera close, but I want to take the body off this one real quick. I heard it was a pain to get the body off. Especially these side clips. Ain't that bad. Maybe it's bad to put it back on. Oh boy, it is kind of hard. 4 clips. Oh, you gotta pull this out too? What's it? Oh no, it's attached. There's the body. Alright. Same exact stuff, just a shorter chassis, I believe. Yep. Shorter chassis, smaller wheels. Same battery, same motor, same everything. But it's the buggy version. Alright. Now I'm going to put the camera up close and show you the difference of these two vehicles. Alright, here they are. You could clearly see the ground clearance on the truck. It's much higher. The bigger tires. Look at the difference. And then take off the bodies. And get a top view, and you can see the difference of the chassis. There it is. It's got a longer chassis, a longer wheelbase. So that's the difference between them. Other than that, they're really like the same. So I think the truck's gonna be more of a basher. I actually, with the truck, I went all over through the grass, everything. It has real good ground clearance. And the buggy, not so much. See the difference? But I think it's going to be fun. I like this so much, I just had to get the buggy. Anyhow guys, that's the two cars. That's my new buggy. I just wanted to show you them. I'll get the buggy out for a run so you could see it in action. Thanks for watching guys. I appreciate it as always. If you're new watching, Please subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos, leave a comment. I'll gladly help you if you have any questions about these. And like I always say, thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Leave me a like. I'll see you next time. Jrxt out.